Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay May 23, 2025 Friday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong May 23, 2025 Friday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong Friday, May 23, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for May 23, 2025, Friday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Ultra Lotto 658 for Friday, May 23, 2025. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of May 23, 2025, Friday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.